So BitMEX plans to buy one of Germany's oldest banks. So guys, you're welcome back. Shabaki is live on Coinmarketcap Alexandria. Feel free to like, share, subscribe if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel. We drop updates on crypto news, airdrops, lots of other crypto related terms and money making tutorials. So you want to stay tuned and get notified whenever we drop updates. So guys, back to the article by Connor Sefton, Coinmarketcap Alexandria said BitMEX has revealed that it plans to purchase one of Germany's oldest bank, a powerful illustration of how crypto is becoming increasingly influential in the world of finance. So the crypto exchange and derivatives platform has set its insights on Bankhaus von der Elst, which was founded all the way back in 1754. In a statement, BitMEX said it's due to snap up the Munich-based financial institution would be subject to regulatory approval. The BitMEX Group is pursuing the ambitious goal of establishing a one-stop shop for regulated crypto products in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, and thus becoming a strong player in Europe. In addition to our global ambitions, so the details in full, we have BXM, BitMEX Operations AG, which has been founded by BitMEX's CEO, Alexander Hopner, has signed a purchase agreement with the bank's current owner, Dietrich von Botry. Assuming BaFin gives its blessings, the transaction should be finalized in the middle of this year. So details surrounding the price tag of Bankhaus von der Elst are not known at this time, and BitMEX's statement added that the bank will continue to operate as a standalone business unit, but now joining its supervisory board. Hopner added, through combining the regulated digital assets expertise of Bankhaus von der Elst with the crypto innovation and scale of BitMEX, I believe we can create a regulated crypto product powerhouse in the heart of Europe. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap news review on BitMEX. If you find this informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your bar keys. Stay tuned for more. We'll be bringing more updates, guys. So peace out.